Look at guys, we are here first day of sand and finish and an installation in Taylorsville, North Carolina. This job was going to be just a sand and finish, and then my poor client just had this beautiful kitchen done, and we had made the deal for me to sand everything, all the existing floor, and then it was on the schedule, and about a week later he calls me and said the whole downstairs flooded. One of the pipes burst. So unfortunately, he had to have all this ripped up and new wood installed. So we're gonna take care of that and then get everything sanded. And we're gonna stain this whole job with Loba and Loba finishes. It's gonna be a beautiful job. So we'll be doing all the kitchen area, dining room, this living room, the stairs, and the upper hall. We are not doing the railings, just the floor. Going with Spice Brown by Loba. It's the color of the stain. All right, stick around. Good morning, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Uncle Tony here on day 2. Let me show you what we got done on Saturday. We got everything installed, looking fantastic. I'm just starting to sand this section. Got all the stairs done, and the upstairs hall sanded. We're working our way up in grit. We should get it water popped by the end of today. And then we'll get stained and seal it first coat tomorrow. All right, stick around. Oh yeah, we did 8 custom beds too. All right guys, we are water popping for tomorrow's stain to accept. Look how good that looks, just natural. Boy, I love a natural floor. Alrighty, we'll stick around. We'll show you the progress tomorrow when we get it stained. Alrighty guys, we got the stain down. Looking fantastic. It's drying. We got the shoe molding stained. And that's it. Come back and show you some more results. Alrighty guys, we have the sealer down. Look how good this looks. Alright, stick around. Alright guys, we are ready to put the final coat down. We are going with Loba Duo. Best on the market. Alrighty guys, here is the final results. The upstairs, Jason's putting on the last door. The hallway, beautiful. Steps, beautiful. Downstairs, beautiful. OMG. Come on.